Yeah, hello guys, welcome back to HumbleFx. Okay, today we're going to be discussing this our normal indicator, the FX bull. I call it the channel indicator. Okay, that is what we have been doing for some time right now because it is worth it. All right, as usual, you see this is our special indicator that we have been using for some times now, which is also very, very good, very, very awesome. But today we are discussing the FX bull indicator, which I titled, I call the channel indicator. All right. So yeah, as usual, please guys, if you are new to this channel, please subscribe to this channel and turn on the bell notification so you'll be notified once a new video is uploaded. And also share the video, comment on the video, and like the video. All right, today I would totally discuss with you how you can actually use the channel indicator to make cool profit in the market without being caught by a spike. Okay, if you did not participate in our $10 giveaway, you missed a lot. I sold this indicator for few persons at just $10, and those that got it already are sharing testimony of how the efficiency of the indicator. So if you missed it at that giveaway price of $10, my brother, you missed something very good. You missed something, and I don't think you get it at that price from now on. Okay, but then I had some people coming to me that they did not see the video early enough and all that, and I should help them with same price of $10 and all that. So I decided to still give it out for that same price at the moment. Okay, and I will not, this shall be the deadline of this $10 offer, after which it will increase a bit more than $10, and that's how it will increase until it get back to its normal price of $100, which I know that you don't want to miss out in the opportunity. Okay guys, now if you want to get the indicator right away as $10 as usual, check on this video description and you will see the link to my profile. Okay, send a message on that profile and you get to discuss with me. Okay, and that is how to get it right now. And this is I want to tell you how you can use it to make money, grow your $10 account successfully with this channel indicator. All right, you are afraid of spike. Today you should not be afraid of spike. You should trade successfully. Now this is it. Okay, and some person also want to get this indicator that is used to trade both all pairs. This indicator is used to trade all pairs, both the V75 and crash. This is, although you can see here, this is a V75. This is the belly system. Okay, the pro version of the belly system. Now you see the entry point here. Let me zoom out again a bit so you see that. You see there's arrow here, the bull cross. You see the it showed at a level. This is a level zone, the demand zone. It's moved upwards. Okay, it's moved up, and this is it's moved up like this, and here also it showed up and it moved up. So this also is another indicator, but currently not on sale. But if you see one, if you want to get it, you can also DM me, send me a message with the profile link, with the profile on this video description, and you get to see how to get it, but this one should be a bit higher than the other. Okay, maybe it should be like $20 or so for now. Guys, now let's go back to business. Okay, I told you I want to show you how you can make the market with this indicator and avoid spike. Okay, and make your profits. Now this is, let me bring out something. Maybe I'll check to, I want to draw something. I want to draw something here, maybe arrow. I want to draw an arrow. I want to draw an, where is it? I can't even see what I'm looking for. Where am I seeing that? Where should I see it? Oh, okay. Now look at this line here. This line you see here, the good line is first line. The second one is here. Now it's formed a channel here. It's formed a channel at this point. So what do we do? If you want to trade this channel, the market has come down here and it's moved up from this point to the channel, and it's crashed down to the channel. Now what do you expect now? You expect that the market will actually move up from this channel upward. It should move like this to the next channel. So this is what we expect in this place. You should expect something like this to happen in this market. It's either move to this channel and drop down again, drop down here, except it cross it over. Okay, see, this is how you can use it on this channel. Trade in the channel like zigzag from here to channel and all that until it break out the channel and form the next line. Now you don't want to trade in the channel. You want to scalp the market and grow your small account. You have $10 account and you want to grow it. Now this is what you do. Okay, you now come to this window indicator. This is the you want to use the PC divergence and the B powers channel, SS channel. Now this is it. Let me use this arrow again. You want to do that, you just need to do this, follow the instruction. You see that this, from this point here, at this point right here, the market has come up this place. This channel, SS channel, has came down from the downward side. It's moved up. Okay, when it has moved up like this, we enter at the second move up, not the first one. We enter at the second one, or even at the third one. Then you enter the market. What you want to take here is take just 2 to 3 candles. Let me assume we enter the market at this point here. Okay, at this third one, then let me assume we enter at the third one. So you want to take 2 to 3 candles, or it enter at the second one. You want to take 2 to 3 candles. From here to here, you already gotten your 2 candles. Now here is your third candle. At the moment, you have gotten your 3 candles already, and you are out of the market. Then you wait for another opportunity to trade. Okay, now another one has showed up here. The market has crossed over the second one. We enter it from second one. For this point, you see there's a little support level, a little resistance level here. So we have to ignore it until it crosses it over. Maybe here is the crossover of that level. We enter here and we'll take our 3 candles or 2 candles, and you will exit. You can take 5 candles if you want to take it. Okay, but I recommend, because you want to grow your account, you take it bit by bit. Okay, now you see another session here. That means in this place you have gotten 2 sessions. Okay, here also you enter it at the second or upward movement. You take your candles, okay, and you move. All right, so this guy here is now look at here, guys. Even though here is ranging, look, this place is a ranging market. If you know what a ranging market is, you should know that here is not good to trade. It is ranging here, and anything can happen. Except you are actually a scalper, you know what you are doing. You can take your trades from here. Here you are taking your 2 candles from this point. It's crashed down. Here also you're taking your 2 candles and it's crashed down. Here also you take your 2 candles from here. It crashed down. Here also you take your 2 candles from here. It's crashed down. Here also you take your 2 candles from here. You enter the market right from this point. Okay, see, right from this point. You take your 2 candles before that spike happened. It crashed down again. You wait again, and you take and see what happened here. You actually want to enter the market at the second candles, and before you enter, it has spiked against you. So you know you before now, so I spike against you. You wait for the next entry to enter. Okay, so guys, this is how effective you can trade with this channel indicator. Now for boom, you see now see the perfect channel here. The perfect one is here. See the channel. See that channel has just dropped down like this. This one here is a channel. Okay, this one draw here, the channel. See that these two are just giving you guys the channel overview, which we call the market structure. The market structure. You move from here, channel to channel, down, 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 and now we should expect a spike at this level. Should expect a spike to this channel again to go down. Except if it breaks down and continue moving down, then we now know that we're going to sell more and stay longer in the market. Okay, now you use the other two also to take your scalping, to scalp your 3 to 2 to 3 candles or 5 candles, and we go away when market is coming from the upward side and going downward. Okay, you could see how it was going from the upward side right here, and it moved down. We entered at the second candle, like I told you earlier. You entered at the second candles and you move down. Okay, that is also this one too. You enter at the second candles and you move down. This one as well. You enter at the second candles here and you move down. All right, so this is how you should be using it and making your profit with it. Okay, now if you want to confirm your trend, okay, you have to check 5-minute time frame to see what is happening there. And under the 5-minute time frame, we are still seeing the trend. We are still seeing the channel at this point. See the channel from here. It gives us an automatic trend line, which means we should expect this market to actually come down to the channel before it go up in the next spike. Okay, that is what we expect of it. Okay, guys, this indicator, it work both on crash 500, crash 1000, boom 500, and boom 1000. Okay, can be used to swing and scalp, but I would recommend you to use it to scalp with the 1-minute time frame. You now confirm your trend with the higher time frame, which is the 5 minutes, okay, or the 15 minutes time frame. These are trend confirming stuff to use to confirm your trend. Okay, now let me this is boom 1000. Okay, now guys, with this, if you have your $10 account ready and you want to grow it with this strategy, I recommend you just to trade 10 sessions, trade 10 sessions a day with lots of 0.2, and you'll be able to make $4 at the end of the day. Okay, if you enter at this point, take 2 candles, that is $0.4, you get 0.4, that is you earn 0.4. okay, now again from this point, you enter again from this point, you earn another 0.4, enter here again 0.4, enter here again 0.4, enter here again 0.4, 0.4, 0.4, Guys, you see that with these 4 pairs, if you are trading the 4 pairs, both the boom 1000, sorry, the boom 500, boom 1000, crash 500, crash 1000, with this setup on all of them, to get your 10 sessions is very easy, very easy to get, very easy. And when you're getting 10 sessions, you should have $4 as your profit, and you take it. For the next day, you do the same thing. Before you do that for 10 days, that your $10 account would have blown up to something like $40 plus, or $50 in 10 days, which is not which is not small as a starter. And you can now increase your lot size, okay, a bit, and still stick to your 10 sessions a day. Okay, that is how you can use it actually to make the market without any stuff, without any loss. Okay, do this, guys, and you will testify. Okay, thank you if you have gotten the indicator, and congratulations, because we are going to change your trading lifestyle. Okay, now, like I said earlier, if you want to get it at this moment, all right, I just need it 2 persons right now. Come over to my DM, click on that link on this video description, and you get to my profile, all right, and you get yours and start making a market with it. All right, don't procrastinate. This offer ends, and you are going to get it at a higher price if you wish to get it. All right, you decide it by yourself, and you remember that in trading you must sacrifice to achieve a certain goal, certain levels in trading. Okay, guys, yeah, this is HumbleFx signing out. Thank you guys for watching this video, and I pray you guys to have a great day. The next video will be stunning. You will get to see another breaking strategy that you're going to use to make the market. Until then, I remain HumbleFx. Have a sweet and great day.